Hey everybody, welcome back to the Flannel Phillip channel. Today, I'm doing motorcycle foot pegs on my semi. Why would somebody do that? Well, I don't like to think conventionally. I like coming up with new, unique ideas and little miniature projects. I'm always tinkering on stuff. So stick around. I'll show you why I'm doing this, how I'm doing it, and hopefully it'll all make sense. Stick with me. Okay, so let me try and explain. I'm gonna be putting the new deck plate on this truck tomorrow. We just picked it up from the powder coater yesterday, so pretty excited about that. What I need to do is I need to come up with a way to be able to have a step anytime I need to get up onto the deck plate to hook up my trailer or to climb up on top or inside or for washing and things like that. I don't plan to do a whole lot of stepping and walking on top of the deck plate, and when I do, I plan to have towels or, carpet remnants or something like that just so I don't scratch it, because, that's some pretty nice powder coating. I'm impressed with it, and this is a little sneak peek. You probably haven't seen it yet, but it's a 3-piece. I plan on doing some pinstriping back there on the back. Whoop, got my cord in the way. So anyway, I'm going to try and protect it as best I possibly can, and my whole intention is to try and come up with a way to have a foot peg. Now, my son Jacob is working on a Honda motorcycle. It's a little miniature project that he has going on at home. He took his foot pegs off, he's not using them anymore, and I said, hey, I got an idea, let me try something. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to weld some studs onto these bolt heads here, and then just like on the motorcycle, there'll just be a nut holding those babies on. It'll be able to fold up, and pretty simple. Should be cool. Now, before any of you start getting all worked up about you can't weld on a bolt head, that's a chassis part, and this is a grade 8 bolt, I believe, at least grade 5. Don't worry about it, it's fine. I've done this kind of thing before, and you just don't need to worry about it. It's okay. It's fine. I got this. I sure won't be teaching welding class at the Votech, but you know what? All it has to do is hold up 175 pounds of me. So I say bolt it on and see how it does. Might put a washer on there too. Yeah, let me find something that fits a little bit better now. See how we do here. Locking nuts. Shouldn't go anywhere. There. Huh. Time to test it. Oh boy. Go mode, step mode. Can do it either way. I think that's gonna work. So I'm gonna pull it back off and get some paint on there and do final assembly tomorrow morning. Mission accomplished. So yeah, there you have it. A lot of people wouldn't think to put motorcycle foot pegs on a semi, but hey, to me, that's what hot rodding is. Using what you got, solving a problem, being different than everybody else, trying new things. If it doesn't work, scrap that idea and try something different. But I think it's cool, it's fun, it's light, and it's stuff that I already had on hand because my son's not using it. And there's a story to tell with it. So thanks for coming along, everybody. If this hadn't worked, you'd have seen it right along with me that it didn't work. But I think it's gonna work great. Thanks for supporting the channel, everybody. Go ahead and leave comments down below. I really appreciate that because it helps the algorithm. And I won't see your comments, but if you wanna interact with me, I'll be over at Instagram. So it's @FlannelPhillip on Instagram. You can find me there. We can chat back and forth. I can answer questions for you. But that's it for today. Short episode. Thanks for coming along, everybody. Peace and grease.